Hi you guys. Today I'm going to be taking my kitchen from dirty schmurdy to mean clean. So if you're interested in this kitchen clean with me, then stay tuned. So we're going to go ahead and get started, and we're going to tackle the hardest part immediately, which is a dirty kitchen sink. And I can't clean the kitchen sink without putting up the clean dishes out of my dishwasher. So that's what I'm going to do right now by just unloading all of the clean dishes from the dishwasher and putting them in their appropriate spot in the cabinets. And if you are in the market for a dishwasher that actually works, I highly recommend this LG Top Control dishwasher. They have a technology in it called the LG Trusteam, which loosens food and easily gets them off when the dishwasher is going. It has dual zones, top and bottom, for your dishes to be clean and rinsed. I really love that. I really love all three of the trays. They can be lifted up and downward on the top two trays. In addition, the little spikes on the trays can be moved up or down to allow room for different types of dishes, which I really love. And then it also has your removable basket for your silverware, and it's just a great dishwasher overall, and I would highly recommend it. When I bought this house a few years ago, it actually had a different dishwasher that came with it, and it just didn't meet my standard. And so when I was looking for a dishwasher, I read all of the reviews. I looked at Bosch, I looked at Whirlpool, I looked at GE, I looked at Samsung, I looked at LG, and I finally settled on the LG just based on all the reviews, all the demos, the pricing, everything overall for what I was looking for. It's still the best one. So now I'm going to tackle this incredibly dirty sink, and now you can see that because I have a clean dishwasher, it's a lot easier for me to empty the sink of all of these dirty dishes. And let me tell you something, when it comes to using my dishwasher, I don't discriminate. If you a pot or a plate, you can go in that dishwasher if you will fit. But the key to a dishwasher working very well is not to overcrowd it in a way that your blades that release the water to clean it cannot cycle. So I make sure that I do not block those blades, but I will stuff this dishwasher full of dishes, and I will make sure that those blades have the room to spin, and then I will set it to go. So that's what I'm going to do now. And I do believe in pre-rinsing with boiling hot water, but that's just a preference, guys. It is not necessary. I have stuck dishes in this dishwasher that have had baked on food from casseroles and whatnot, and it completely got them clean. So it's not necessary, but it's just something that I've been doing for years, and I still do it. And as you can see, I'm playing Tetris with my dishwasher to see how I can fit all of these really big dishes in with everything else. And you'll see that eventually I did finally give up because some stuff I just could not fit to allow the dishwasher to run properly. Another thing that I do when I'm cleaning the dishes like this is I'll go around the house, I'll look in my refrigerator, I'll find dishes that also need to be cleaned, and I'll also empty out dishes or Tupperware that are in the refrigerator that need to be emptied out of food, and I'll clean them at this time as well. So you see, I finally gave up on trying to fit more dishes in the dishwasher. My iron skillet, of course, I couldn't put that one in there because those types of skillets in the dishwasher will rust. But everything else I'm just going to have to clean by hand. So now I'm just putting in my rinse aid and my dishwasher liquid. I'm going to set it and let it go. And I always set my cycles on heavy with extra dry heat, and also make sure that it's on the dual zone so that both of the zones can go. And it's like a 3.5 hour cycle, so I'll let that run overnight or during the day or whenever, just so my dishes get really clean. So now the last few, I'm just washing them by hand and drying them by hand and putting them up. I also clean my cutting boards at this time. I have two big ones that I use. One is a white plastic one that I use for all of my meats. I clean both sides with Dawn soap because it's just a really good soap. And then I have a wooden one that I use to cut up all of my vegetables, and I'll clean the front and back of that one as well. Now I'm going to give my sink a really good scrubbing, and normally I use bleach and Dawn soap. Tonight I'm just going to use Dawn soap, and it's really important for you to rinse your sink because bacteria from raw meats and from foods that have been cooked can collect, and it's really just important for you to get all of that really clean. I also use my Clorox wipes to wipe down the top of the sink, the handles, the sprayer head, and I'll also use it to clean the counters as well. Now I'm going to tackle this incredibly dirty stove top. When I clean down my kitchen, because I love having a clean kitchen whenever I come in to cook, so that makes my dishes have to be clean, the sink has to be clean, my cutting boards have to be clean, the counters have to be clean, and the stove top has to be clean. And you can see it was incredibly dirty. So I took some stovetop sprayer solution, I sprayed it, and I left it for about 10 minutes, and then I came back, and now I'm wiping it down, and this is going to help me maintain a clean stovetop. And this particular routine for my kitchen is more like a daily or a weekly routine. Every now and then I'll do a deep cleaning out the refrigerator and wiping it down, cleaning out the microwave, wiping down all of the appliances, wiping down all of the cabinets. Girl, it is a whole thing. But I'll save that for a deep clean kitchen video. Tonight, I'm just going to enjoy my clean kitchen and relax. So that's going to be it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. If you are new here, my name is Brittany. I love beauty and lifestyle from makeup to home decor, and that's what I do here on my channel. So if you are interested, hit the subscribe button below, become part of the Brittany fam. You can also click the bell notification to be notified the next time that I upload a video. And with that said, I hope to see you in the next video. But until then, be your own cousin.